Hey everyone, today on Insurance Talk, we'll be discussing how Trailstone Insurance Group became Dave Ramsey endorsed. We all know Dave Ramsey is well known for his financial advice, radio show, and multiple books. So people have asked us, how did Trailstone Insurance Group become Dave Ramsey endorsed? Well, first, our founder was a huge fan of Dave Ramsey's programs and the Financial Peace University he attended at his church. Through FPU, we discovered we could help Dave Ramsey's referrals and applied to be a Ramsey Trusted Pro. And then in 2013, Dave Ramsey's team started vetting Trailstone. The process took over 8 months before Dave Ramsey would provide the endorsement to our Trailstone team and start referring people to the agency. Dave Ramsey only endorses insurance agencies that are aligned with his specific criteria. First, Dave expects us to have the heart of a teacher. Trailstone Insurance believes in educating our clients about insurance, not just making a sale. We focus on the client's needs and make recommendations that are best for the client, even if that means we can't help them right now. Second, people over profits. We believe people are more important than profits, and every decision we make is driven by treating others the way we would want to be treated. And third is Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps. Dave has been teaching money management through the 7 baby steps for more than 25 years, and our team agrees and follows the 7 baby steps personally. Next, Dave says we should agree and align with his principles on debt, savings, and wise money management. Dave often says debt is dumb, cash is king, and the paid-off home mortgage has taken the place of the BMW as the status symbol of choice. And we agree. Last but certainly not least, Dave's insurance partners must be an independent insurance agency representing multiple insurance companies, unlike a captive insurance agency like State Farm, Allstate, or USAA. Trailstone Insurance Group has helped thousands of Dave Ramsey followers over the last 10 years. If you're a fan of Dave Ramsey and the baby steps, you should give us a call and we can help you save money on your insurance and help make sure your family is insured properly so you can sleep well at night. Until next time.